Stuff I'd buy again. The AULA F99 mechanical keyboard. I've tried a lot of budget mechanical keyboards and mostly feel exactly that, budget. But the AULA F99, this one surprised me. It's got the compact 96% layout, so you keep the number pad but save a ton of desk space. Build quality, way sturdier than I expected for something under $100. Thick plastic case, solid plate, barely any flex. The switches are hot swappable, means that if one ever dies or you just want to try something new, no soldering, just pop it out and go. Plus it's tri-mode, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or wired USB-C. I switch between my laptop and desktop with zero hassle. Oh, and the south-facing RGB looks clean and works with all my custom caps. For something under $100, this thing punches way above its weight class. If you're looking for a keyboard that feels premium without the premium price, this is definitely one I'd buy again. Click the link in the video and grab this one while it's still on sale.